Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English. Today, you'll learn how to order food at a food truck. Let's follow two people, Sarah and Omar, as they get hungry in the park. We'll teach you keywords, polite phrases, and fun expressions. Let's go.
I'm starving. Do you smell that?
Yeah, it smells amazing. Look, there's a taco truck.
Let's check it out. I've never ordered from a food truck before.
Don't worry. It's easy. I'll help you.
Chicken taco, beef taco, vegetarian. What's the difference?
Chicken is grilled. Beef is spicy. Veggie has beans and avocado.
I think I'll try the veggie one.
Good choice. I'm going for the chicken.
Hey there. What can I get for you?
Hi. I'll have one vegetarian taco, please.
Sure. Would you like any toppings?
Yes, please. Cheese and salsa.
Hot or mild salsa?
Mild, please.
And I'll take one chicken taco with hot salsa. And can I get extra guacamole?
Absolutely. Anything to drink?
Just water, thanks.
Same here.
All right, give me a minute.
Ordering was easier than I thought.
Yeah. It's all about using polite words and being clear.
What's guacamole, by the way?
It's a creamy avocado dip. You'll love it.
One veggie taco and one chicken taco with 2 waters.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
This is so good. The salsa is just right.
And the guacamole is perfect. Want a bite?
Sure.
When you eat at a food truck, it's okay to share, relax, and enjoy. Just remember to be polite and say thank you. Let's review what we learned today. I'll have, can I get, would you like toppings? Hot or mild salsa? Thank you. You're welcome. Practice these phrases next time you order food. See you in the next video.